Hello everyone, hope you're doing well, and today I will tell you that how can you create a bar chart with an Excel sheet separately as well as combined. For example, if you want to represent your data, all of the data in one bar chart, then how can you create the bar chart for it? So here I am having a data consisted of the three variables like faculty, MPhil students and PhD students, private and government schools, private and government schools, private and government schools or colleges, universities basically. So, and here is the data of these. So, if I want to create the separate bar chart for all of these, then what I will do, I will select these columns only, go to insert. Here I can go to insert and then go to the bar chart like this and then create a bar chart. It will make a separate bar chart for every of the variables. So you can create three different bar charts from here by doing the same what I did. And but if you want to create a one single bar chart having all of these variables, then what you need to do, you will highlight all these, go to the insert and create a bar chart for this. So here you can see, yes, like this. Here you can see we are having all of the three variables and their bar charts in a single bar chart. So it is a quick trick through which you can create a single bar chart for all of the variables you are having in your research study, and you can select the font and the style from here and then set their font as I have told in the previous video. So it is all about the today's session. Till next session, take care and also subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.